We begin this evening with our continued focus on the impact of inflation on consumers. A recurring question has been, what is a livable wage? Currently, the minimum wage is $7,000 a week, but given the ballooning prices of food, how far can this go? Well, our reporter Vashon Brown went shopping.
Inflation conversations and those who earn minimum wage at the center.
Now, with concerns about price increases and questions like what exactly can minimum wage earners purchase with the $7,000 they get, we went shopping. Now, we went to several food establishments, beginning right here at Coronation Market in downtown Kingston.
Interestingly, even with a ban on single-use plastics, we were able to purchase this bag for $20. We bought 1 pound of sweet pepper for $250, 1 pound of tomatoes for $100, 1 pound of onion cost $100, this same price for a bag of garlic. We also bought cabbage and carrots for a total of $500, $150 for a pound of scallion and thyme. Peppers and coconut were also on our list. The vendors told us the price of produce like lettuce was much higher a few weeks ago.
$500 there.
Per pound?
Yeah.
And what's it now?
150. I buy 120. I buy for. I sell it for 150.
You have cabbage. It's a up and down. Carrot up and down. It's sorrel and gungo season now. It's the best season of the year. For sorrel right now and gungo. We have a lot of Irish potato on the market. Sweet potato, it's going way down. Sweet potato about $60, $50, $70. You don't have a stable price. Yam, you don't have a stable price on yam.
After spending just over an hour in Coronation Market, we spent roughly $1,700. Now our next stop will be the supermarket.
At Sampar Supermarket in Crossroads, St. Andrew, we picked up several items like rice, flour, sugar, cornmeal, bread, sausage, ketchup, cooking oil, mackerel and sardines.
Now remember, we spent roughly $1,700 at the market in downtown Kingston. Here at the supermarket in Crossroads, St. Andrew, we spent $3,195, pretty much getting some basic food items. So far, we've spent $4,910. Out of the $7,000, we have roughly $2,000 remaining.
From the supermarket, we went to a corner shop where we purchased 2 pounds of chicken and 3 pounds of chicken back for $1,250. If the average minimum wage earner follows a similar spending pattern, then he or she would have less than $1,000 remaining to take care of other expenses like transportation. President of the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions, Helene Davis White, says this experiment shows the problem clearly.
We have been saying that we should be moving from a national minimum wage to a livable wage, which would take into account what it takes to provide all the basic needs, housing, food, transportation. All of these things would be taken into account in determining a livable wage.
Mrs. Davis White argues that countries that have set a livable wage have done extensive studies of their labor force before arriving at a figure.
The Minimum Wage Commission has met, and based on what we have been advised from our rep who is on the commission, they have completed the work and have made their recommendations to the government for over a year for sure. Because I think Minister Robinson may have been in office at the time when they made their recommendations, and nothing has happened since.
The minimum wage was last increased in 2018. However, at $7,000 weekly, the calls have been getting louder for government to raise the rate. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.